What is ad frequency capping in Google Ads? So what exactly is frequency capping? It's a clever tool that allows advertisers like you to control how often your ads are shown to the same person. Let me break it down for you. You see, when you run a campaign, it's important to reach as many potential customers as possible. However, bombarding the same person with your ads repeatedly can become annoying and even counterproductive. That's where frequency capping comes in. It sets a limit on how many times your ad can be shown to an individual user within a certain time frame. By managing the frequency, you can strike the perfect balance between getting your message across and respecting your audience's preferences. Imagine this. You've just launched a new product and you want to create a buzz around it. With frequency capping, you can make sure that your ads reach a wide range of potential customers without overwhelming them. It's like having a volume control for your advertising. And here's the best part. By avoiding ad fatigue and irritation, you increase the chances of your audience engaging with your ads. It's a win-win situation. They get a positive experience and you get better results for your advertising efforts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more updates and valuable insights. See you next time.